Alright, here's the setup. You can see the lights look really nice and they're completely positionable. And I was able to put my webcam right underneath it. Everything looks great. The nice thing too is it has this touch control. And the touch control, this is full brightness right here. As you can see, really nice and bright. If you hit that again, and then you can make it a night light where it has a little bit. You can increase the brightness by touching this. You can increase it. You can change the color. So now we have a white light.
This light has two separate arm extensions, and this either arm can move. So you have a lot of different ways that you can angle this light